Good morning, student. Today is 3rd May 2020. This is my lecture number 33. Chapter is Retirement of a Partner, and under this chapter, today's topic is Accounting Treatment of Goodwill. In our previous video, I have explained about calculation of new profit sharing ratio and gaining ratio, and in chapter number 3, that is admission of a partner, I have also explain about calculation of sacrificing ratio, and in this chapter I have explained how to calculate gaining ratio. So first we have to see distinction between sacrifice ratio and gaining ratio. Sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio. It may be asked in exam in 1 marks. First, I will explain on the basis of its meaning. Meaning, what is sacrifice ratio and what is gain ratio. Sacrifice ratio is the ratio in which old partners sacrifice their share of profit in favor of our new partner. It means old partner sacrifice to new partner. In gaining ratio is the ratio in which remaining partners acquired share of profit from outgoing partner. Remaining partner acquired outgoing partners share. This is called gaining ratio. So first difference is on the basis of meaning. Second difference on the basis of need. What are the need for calculating sacrifice ratio and gaining ratio? It is used during the admission of a partner. So at the time of admission of a partner, sacrifice ratio will be calculated, and Gaining ratio, it is used during retirement and death of a partner. Retirement and death of a partner. So, these are the need for calculation of sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio. Third point may be purpose. What is the purpose to compute gaining ratio and sacrificing ratio? It is computed to find out the amount of premium goodwill to be paid by incoming partner to old partner. So purpose will be computation of goodwill. Goodwill. I can write goodwill. Distribution of goodwill. And in third, in gaining ratio, it is computed to find out the amount given to retiring partner for goodwill shared by continuing partner. In both the case, purpose will be same, but in sacrificing ratio, it will calculated at the time of admission for distribution of goodwill, and it is also calculated for given outgoing partner share of goodwill. And fourth point, I can say sacrifice ratio equal to formula will be old share minus new share, but gaining ratio equal to formula will be new share minus old share. So these are the four different in sacrificing ratio and gaining ratio. Now I am going to teach accounting treatment of goodwill, because this is our topic, but we have to know about sacrifice ratio and gain ratio also before calculation of treatment of goodwill. So now I am going in topic accounting treatment of goodwill. Accounting treatment of goodwill. As per accounting standard 26, we should always remember that accounting treatment of goodwill is always according to accounting standard 26. Goodwill of the firm is the result of the combined effort of all the partners in the past. Therefore, At the time of retirement and death of a partner, the outgoing partner must be compensated by the continuing partners in their gaining ratio. However, the goodwill will be valued as per agreement of partnership firm. So, see the treatment of accounting treatment. Accounting treatment. The retiring and deceased partner must be compensated in the form of premium, goodwill, for share of profit sacrificed in favor of the continuing partners in the ratio of gain obtained by them through partners' capital account. Entry will be passed, journal entry will be continuing partner or gaining partner account, capital account, DR to retiring partner account, retiring or outgoing or deceased partner capital account. This is the treatment of account goodwill in case of retirement of a partner. But I will understand better it solving practical problem. So I have to see some practical problem based on accounting treatment of goodwill. Suppose A, B and C are partner sharing profit in the ratio of 4:3:2. B retires from firm and goodwill of the firm is valued. Goodwill of the firm is valued 18,000. Pass journal entry for the treatment of goodwill on B's retirement. Answer will be profit sharing ratio of ABC are given. Profit sharing ratio of ABC are given 4:3:2. B retires, but nothing is stated about new ratio. So the new ratio of A and C will be same by removing B's share. So it will be 4:2. In smallest form I can write 2:1. And gaining ratio of A and C also will be same, because nothing is stated about new ratio in this question. So old ratio of existing partners and new ratio of existing partner and gaining ratio of existing partner will be same. Gaining ratio, therefore gaining ratio will be also 2:1 of A and C, because B is retiring partner. Now B's share of goodwill. B's share of goodwill will be 18,000 into 3/9. It will be 6,000. Now we will pass journal entry. So journal entry will be A's capital account, DR, C's capital account, C's capital account, DR, to B's capital account. This will be journal entry. Amount will be 6,000, and 6,000 will shared by A and C in their gaining ratio, not in old ratio or new ratio. It will always share in gaining ratio. Therefore, it will be 4,000 and 2,000. In this question, new ratio and gaining ratio also same. Both are same. So now see next problem. Suppose P, Q and R are partner in equal ratio, that means 1:1:1, and goodwill of the firm is valued 36,000. R is retiring partner, and question says new ratio of P and Q will be 3:2. Something is changed in this question, because old ratio and new ratio both are given. So first I will calculate R share of goodwill. It will be 36,000 into 1/3, and it will be 12,000. Now I will calculate gaining ratio, and we all know gaining ratio equal to new ratio minus old ratio. So P equal to 3 by 5, 3 by 5 minus 1 by 3, it will be 4 by 15, and Q equal to 2 by 5 minus 1 by 3, it will be 1 by 15. Therefore, gaining ratio of P and Q will be 4:1, and therefore journal entry will be P's capital account DR, Q's capital account DR to R's capital account. Amount will be 12,000, and it will share by P and Q in gaining ratio. As in admission chapter, we have distributed in sacrificing ratio. In this chapter, it will always distributed in gaining ratio, so it will be 9,600 and 2,400. Now see some next question answer also. Suppose A, B, C and D are partner in a firm in the ratio of 2:1:1. B retires from firm and decided to share profit equally. That means new ratio of a partner will be equal. ACD. Goodwill of the firm is valued 30,000 for this purpose. Give necessary journal entry. So in this question, new ratio and old ratio also given. First I will calculate gain share. So answer will be age gain equal to 1/3 minus 2/6. It will be 0. B, C's gain equal to 1/3 minus 1/6. It will be 1/6. D's gain equal to 1/3 minus 1/6. So it will also be 1/6. In this question, we can see that A has nothing gain, but D and C have gain 1/6, 1/6. So I will calculate gain ratio of C and D only. It will be 1:1. Now B's share of goodwill equal to 30,000 into 2/6. So it will be 10,000, and journal entry will be C's capital account DR D's capital account DR to B's capital account, and A will not involve in journal entry because A have not sacrifice and gain, so it will not comes in journal entry. Now amount of B's capital account will be 10,000 and it will shared by C and D equally, 5,000 and 5,000 respectively. So these are some questions based on calculation of gaining ratio and accounting treatment of goodwill in case of retirement of a partner. Now see some specific journal entry, that is sacrifice made by continuing partner besides retiring partner. That means continuing partner will also sacrifice. Suppose in this previous question B is sacrificing partner, but beside B C also may be sacrificing partner. So this is the point. It may possible that at the time of retirement and death of a partner, a continuing partner may also sacrifice in favor of remaining continuing partners besides the retiring deceased partners. Thus, the gaining partner must compensate. Gaining partner must compensate both the retiring partner and other continuing partner, who is also sacrificing his profit share in favor of gaining partner. The journal entry will be same, but I can write journal entry continuing partner capital account DR to retiring partner capital account to continuing partner capital account. Because continuing partner also sacrifice his share in other continuing partner. So see one more example and practical problem. Suppose X, Y and Z are partner in a firm in the ratio of 3:2:1, and Z retires from firm, and a new profit sharing ratio between X and Y will be 1:2. Z retirement. On the Z retirement, goodwill of the firm is valued rupees 30,000. Pass necessary journal entries for the treatment of goodwill on Z retirement without opening the goodwill account. So, first I will calculate gaining ratio of partner X equal to new ratio minus old ratio 1 by 3 minus 3 by 6. 1 by 6 will be sacrifice. Answer will come in minus, so it will sacrifice. And y equal to 3 by 2 by 3 minus 2 by 6, it will be 2 by 6 gain. Now y alone is gaining, so he must compensate not only Z, retiring partner, but also X, continuing partner, who is also sacrificed in favor of Y. Z and X both sacrifice in favor of Y. So, now I will calculate Z share of goodwill. Z share of goodwill equal to 30,000 into 1 by 6, it will be 5,000. And Y X share of goodwill will be 30,000 into 1 by 6, it will also be 5,000. Y must compensate to X and Z, so Y share of goodwill will be 30,000 into 2 by 6, it will be 10,000. Now journal entry will be Y's capital account DR to X capital account to Z's capital account. Amount will be 5,000, 5,000 and 10,000. In this video, I have explained all the point, all the topic related to accounting treatment. I have also solved all the practical problem based on accounting treatment. So now nothing is left in this particular topic. Thank you.